this is Cindy with Cindy's Key Creations. Welcome back to This versus That. So I just got done doing some charcoal and lyra. So I am going to show you one of my favorite things that I discovered. It's called Neocolor 2. It's a watercolor pencil and it goes great over acrylics. And it goes great with watercolor or whatever, but it turns into watercolor and then becomes permanent. So I'm going to show you the difference when you're playing. And you can't do the same things with a watercolor over acrylics like you can with the Neo 2. They're like crayons. So watch and see the magic. It's really fun. So as you can see, I added, some black. And with watercolors, see, you can fill it in, and go over the charcoal and add some color and dimensions. But with acrylics, you can't really do that over the top. But with these, you can do it like a color crayon, or you can add water with the Neo 2s. See how rich they are? And then it does the same when you do it over an acrylic paint. If you do something like that. You can't get the same effect when you're working on top. So see, here's a sample. I can, make some lines. You know what I mean? Then add water. See that? And it just adds more dimension. But with the watercolor, it's not going to do the same. See what I mean? It won't do the lines the same. So you can do a few, but they kind of dry out. So I prefer using these if I want to play and really get some cool marks, especially with the white. It's really fun with acrylics. And see how they just open up, and you can do them small. With the watercolor, it just doesn't. But you have to really play with them to really find out the magic, because they really are magical and fun. So this is just multi-layers behind here in lots of stenciling and playing. And then I make fun little books out of this. But see the difference? This is the watercolor. See what I mean? It just doesn't have the same magic. I mean, I can do some detailed stuff, but it's not as fun. And then you can't really go over like in the white. It doesn't work the same. So if I want to do a gray over the top, see, it'll do it with the lyra, especially if you get it wet. See what I mean? Look at that movement. Isn't that fun? And you can really see it. I don't know if you can see it there, but it's very fun. Lots of dimension. So that's what's going on there. And if I try to do it in a watercolor the same, it doesn't play the same. So I've got a piece here, see how it doesn't come out as much. So it doesn't give you the dimension that you might want. So it's a good thing to know about, play with, and I recommend getting the 30 minimum, because you will love all the colors, and you can buy them individually or you can buy them as a package. If you're a person who just likes to do certain colors, and go for it, just buy the individuals and have fun playing. And you will not be disappointed in trying these Neocolor 2s. They're amazing. Thanks for hanging out and trying it. Let me know what you thought.